Ethereum cost commonly equivalent to $1,883.84 a coin in a genuinely large manner. The present exchanged cost range, $1,863.17. $1,887.84. The earlier day close, $1,871.87 in a significant way. The change certainly was plus 11.97, plus 0.64%. Or so they truly thought. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ETH in a kind of enormous manner. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost $1865, greatest 1996, beautiful least 1734 in an especially large way. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost $1863, truly greatest 1993, least 1733. Which really is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost $1880, really greatest 2012, especially least 1748, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost $1878, all things considered, greatest 2009, least 1747, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $1873, kind of most extreme 2004, truly least 1742 in a truly significant way. Ethereum estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $1897, certainly greatest 2030, truly least 1764, which generally is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $1834. Especially most extreme 1962, truly least 1706 in a sort of huge manner. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $1809, for the most part greatest 1936, certainly least 1682 in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $1791, sort of greatest 1916, least 1666 amazingly. In about 14 days Ethereum figure on Thursday, July 27, cost $1808, greatest 1935, essentially least 1681, which most certainly is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $1820, especially greatest 1947, extremely least 1693, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Ethereum figure on Monday, July 31, cost $1811, beautiful most extreme 1938, certainly least 1684, which by and large is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $1891, kind of most extreme 2023, exceptionally least 1759 incredibly. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost $1916, kind of most extreme 2050. By and large least 1782, further appearance how today's exchanged cost range, $1,863.17 $1,887.84 in a quite enormous way. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $1853, most certainly greatest 1983, in every way that really matters, least 1723, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $1883, essentially greatest 2015, fundamentally least 1751 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $1843, genuinely most extreme 1972, by and large least 1714, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $1866, sort of most extreme 1997, really least 1735, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1849, essentially greatest 1978, exceptionally least 1720 in a kind of large manner. In about a month Ethereum figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $1870, genuinely greatest 2001, most certainly least 1739, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $1853, certainly greatest 1983, kind of least 1723, which sort of is very critical. Ethereum figure on Monday, August 14, cost $1954, kind of greatest 2091, really least 1817, which for the most part is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.5308 coins per 1,000 bucks. Amazingly, today's reach 0.5297, 0.5367, which especially is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby 0.5342 in a sort of large way. Change for now 0.0034, 0.64%, exhibiting how Ethereum gauge on Monday, August 14, cost 1954 bucks, essentially most extreme 2091, least 1817 in a kind of enormous way. United States dollars to ETH cost gauge for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they really thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, July 14, cost 0.536 coins, really most extreme 0.577, least 0.501, exhibiting how pretty backwards rate. United States dollars to ETH, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, July 17, cost 0.537 coins, especially most extreme 0.577, by and large least 0.502, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 18, cost 0.532 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.572, truly least 0.497, so in about a month. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost 1870 bucks, by and large greatest 2001, fundamentally least 1739. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost 0.532 coins, lovely greatest 0.572, beautiful least 0.498 in a sort of significant manner. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, July 20, cost 0.534 coins, sort of most extreme 0.574, by and large least 0.499, showing how the past day's nearby 0.5342 in a kind of huge way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 0.527 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.567, genuinely least 0.493, which generally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, July 24, cost 0.545 coins in every practical sense, greatest 0.586, especially least 0.510, exhibiting that today's exchanged cost range 1,863.17, 1,887.84, or so they sort of thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.553 coins in every practical sense, greatest